Hi, this is my Enhancement 4. Just kidding, I think it's actually 4. And yeah. So this is my products page, just like the product management page through the index. And just to validate everything really fast, I'm just gonna go through it. Sorry, I'm not feeling well this week, so it's been a long day. Sorry, I'm just going through and validating everything really fast. I need to validate the CSS. Okay, there we go. I think that validates everything, but there were no errors. So yeah, when you go in to add a new category in, I'll just use spoons this time. There it is. And then for my category, I'm going to call it red. No, that doesn't have to be anything specific, but so I know for this one it needed to, it talked about hard coding it in. I wasn't able to figure that one out. I tried looking it up, and I don't know if I was looking up the right thing. I don't think I was looking up the right thing, because it kind of gave me a lot of weird answers that I wasn't really looking for. Like, it would tell me how to do it in like C++. Yeah, it would show me how to do it in another programming language, and I was like, probably not quite what I'm looking for. Okay, so also I forgot to mention that when I do add a new product or category, I do get this message right here. It's a little small. I don't remember if I showed that. We'll say forks. Oh, well, no, sorry, you don't get a new message with the category because it shows up in your nav bar, and that's your way of letting you know it works. And then I don't know if we need to show you that it's like, I assume that because it's working in the category list that it's working there as well. So that is my enhancement. I think that's everything, and yeah, bye.